Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you two really simple cards that I made, and I made these using the paper. All the paper is nothing but Polkadoodles. And sorry, I'm just checking to make sure it's recording. And I used two collections. I used the collection Winnie White Christmas and Winnie in Winterland. Now, I was supposed to upload a video where I show how I store all of my digital downloads. And while I was going through my iPad deleting videos that I no longer need, I found that video and I realized that I never uploaded it onto YouTube, and that was supposed to be a year ago. So here's just a really quick recap, and if you're interested in that video, just let me know. But anyways, so for example, I know because I buy these binders from Dollar Tree, as you can see. They're the 1 inch. I have grown out of this one quite a bit, and I do have nothing but Christmas in here. So these are just some of the images from Polkadoodles. And here is Winnie in Winterland. You can see this is one of their design sheets. And this is the same Winnie. What did I say? Winnie in Winterland. Is that what I said? Winnie in Winterland. And I keep all my scraps, and also the sheet protectors are from Dollar Tree. I like to keep all of my scraps in there. I personally like to over print the stuff just so I can have them ready to go. And this one is Winnie White Christmas. I absolutely love this collection. I love both of them, I'm not gonna lie. I love this one too. This one is more traditional colors. This one, the colors are a little bit softer, I think. And that's where I have all of my scraps. Anyways, so just want to show that with you really quickly. So now let me share with you my first card. So here's the first card, you guys. And look how cute it is. This measures 5.5 by 5.5, and all I did was just a bunch of layering, you guys. You can see very simple. This was cut out from one of the design sheets. Now, I got this die and this snowflake die in a D-stash, but luckily the lady did put in the back who it was from, and it's from MFT. And all of this stuff that's printed, everything is from Polkadoodles. This, I believe, is from Chaos Craft. And as you can see, I just layered that. I did do some fussy cutting here, and really pretty. And I also did the inside. Look at that. I added this reindeer. I think he's so cute. Everything you see here, you guys, is from Polkadoodles, including the sentiment. So there's the first card. And now here is the second card. This image right here, you guys, where it's Mrs. Claus and Santa Claus, it is probably my favorite image. I absolutely love it. I've used it quite a bit of times. And you can see I added another die cut behind there. I also added these candy canes. And again, I just did a bunch of layering. This one says Jingle Bell. This one is Santa Baby. And I did add some dimension, not too much, because I did want this one to be a little bit flat so I can mail it out. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then here is the inside. Again, everything is Polkadoodles. I just did a bunch of layering on I used the Silhouette program to do all of my digital work. So this is just a sheet of paper, and then I added the snowman, and then I added this like element that the collection comes with, celebrate, and then I added that bow. So here are my two cards, you guys. Oh my gosh, I think they are so cute. I love them. I love making simple cards like this. And I know that it is almost Christmas, and I did start very late, really late on my holiday crafts, and I don't think I'm going to do much crafting. I don't think I'm going to do much Christmas crafting, but I mean, it's still winter, so there's still time for some winter projects. I don't know what else to make. I want to create everything, you guys. Everything I see online, I want to create it because I guess because I haven't crafted in such a long time, I just want to create everything. I just saw a backpack. I think it's a backpack from Put Some Bling on It. I was about to watch the tutorial and I want to go and make it right now. I mean, I haven't watched the whole tutorial, but I just want to get started on it. And I really want to make it. And I don't know what else to make. Is there anything? I want some ideas, you guys. Give me ideas on what to make. I would love to see, or maybe something you're working on, something you're excited about, that maybe you're going to start on something new. I want to hear it. Please let me know in the comments, because I don't know if it's because I haven't really been watching crafty videos. Like when I go on YouTube, I don't see anything on my feed other than hauls and what else? Yeah, like a lot of hauls, and I don't want to watch haul videos. I want to watch tutorials and project shares and, you know, something new. So let me know, you guys. Let me know what you're working on, or something that you would like to see me create, or something that you are excited about creating something. I don't know. Just let me know. Anyway, so that is it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for a link of these digital collections. And I hope to see you soon, you guys. And happy holidays. Bye, everyone.